India gi Apunba Meesingi chada mapanda smek mapandi Naa Tadaba Amadi Taba Watpagi case le haina Health Services ke Director Dr Chambo Gonmei na phongdorakli National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness NPPCD State Health Society National Health Mission Manipuri na sindurangasi Lamvel Patalaiba Indian Medical Association ke Heritage Hall da pangthokiba World Hearing Day ge thauramda wapamasi mahakna phongdokibane Dr Chambo Gonmei na makata na hai India Apunba gi oina Naa Tadaba Amadi Taba Watpagi kesing asigi manungda chada yangkhaidagi humfu phawbadi ahal sing oire poklakpadagi Naa Tadaba Amadi ahal oirakpadagi Naa Tadaba asidi thoidokna anoba wafam nate marak asida naha oiringai matamda Naa Tadabagi kesing so laktab nate masigi maru oiba maramase miyoibagi nakungna khangba ngamba makolgi wangbada leiba ahoba makol toina taba asinasu oiba yai asigumba case asi ayambana urban area ge nil khongba noise pollution thokpa mafam leiba miyoi singdana ayamba oigali miyoi ba aikoige nakungge membrane ase yamna paba amadi yamna sensitive oiba membrane amane membrane ase amukpu sokhrabadi hanagi fibamda purakpa wai maramaduna aikoina yariba makai ahoba makol ase taroidabani haina mahakna makata ki tharam aduda family welfare department ke director Dr N Kumar Manipur Health Services ke special grade Dr N Bino amadi RIMS ke Orhinol Laurel Napigani Orhinology Department ke Head of Department Professor Dr T.H. Sudhiranjan Sargyake.
We know that this world is not a very comfortable world in many places. War is going on everywhere and a lot of bombings and things like that which can really affect our hearing. Many years back we hardly hear about loud sounds even in the streets or at home. But nowadays we are hearing a lot of things. And then rightly said, our professor had rightly said, the noise pollution is increasing like anything. This noise pollution is rampant not only of certain electrical equipment, but then also the vehicles that are running on the roads, on the streets and all are making a lot of noise. And then our neighbors, they don't care and they play loud music and then they do all kind of sounds which irritates us, which can damage our hearing.